So guys, this is my shampoo bowl. I bought this shampoo bowl on Facebook Marketplace, and I was trying to connect the water heater to the bowl. That way I can wash my client's hair in the garage. So here we go. I actually went to Home Depot and purchased this part. I don't remember the name of it, but yeah, this is what I purchased. I purchased this part. I think this is a half. That's a half. I purchased that, and then connected. I purchased this separately, and then I purchased that separately, and then I purchased that also by itself. It's let's see. That's it right there. I should have done this video. That's it right there. That's a half. That's a half. I purchased that. So all of this is a half. Let's see. No, it's a half. See guys? It's a half. So I purchased this and then connected it to that one. Connected it to this one. That's a half as well. And then connected it to this, the cold water. This is the cold water. Connected it to the cold water. Right there. That's a half as well. Okay. And 3/8. It's a 3/8. So all of these is 3/8. Okay, let's move this away. That is 3/8. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. It's a 3/8 faucet. And then this is a half. Okay, the same as this part. That's a half and that's a 3/8. That's a half. So this part, the top part right here, is where the half right there is where it's connected to this part. This part. That's the half. This is the half. And that's the half. Okay? And then the 3/8, this part, is this part. So you want to get a faucet that can connect to the water heater faucet, like this faucet. Yeah. So I'm going to turn the water heater off. So I bought this. That way you can have both. You can kind of like adjust this because I intend to use this part for the water hose, and then this part for my water heater. Okay, so moving on. So now that I got that connected, I'm going to go ahead and plug it. Okay. Go ahead and plug it in. Go ahead and plug it in. This was really hard for me, guys, and it was really hard for me to find the parts. I had to kind of like go to Home Depot like several times to finally get it. So let's see. That's a half and a 3/8. So this part is 3/8. This part right here is 3/8 into 3/8, and then the part that goes to this part is half. So that's what you want to get. You want to get a 3/8 faucet right here, and then a half. That. Okay. And I believe every wash shampoo bowl is different depending on the faucet that you get or the faucet that it comes with. Just check that and then buy the same connection, the same faucet to fit that, you know. So my water heater is on, and yeah, we're ready to wash the client's hair. I had it open, and this part is closed because I don't need it right now. But this is the part that is connected to the shampoo bowl. This is connected to the water heater, so it's open. This is open. This is actually open, and that's closed. That's closed, and this is open. So the water is getting filled up into the tank, and let's see what happens. So let's get it open. See that, guys? Yeah. It's not full yet, so it's getting filled up. Let's see. So see, guys, this is for the hose. Okay, that's for the hose. That's for the hose. That's for the hose. And this is for the water heater. Okay, that's for the water heater. I just turn it on. See that? Turn it on. So this is so amazing, guys. I have to really. So that's it. I connected my shampoo bowl in the garage where I can get hot and cold water, you know, to wash my client's hair, because I'm doing, you know, my salon in the garage. And so this is where you can get a bigger gallon. This is where the water goes when I wash. This is warm, really nice and warm. The water is really, really nice and warm. See, guys? If I want a lot of it, I just put more of it. It's really nice and warm. Really nice and warm. I can wash my client's hair. Okay. So the water is going in here. That's so amazing. So that's it, guys. It took me a while to figure it out, but I finally did. I finally got it connected. So this is what you need. You need that. Pay attention to these numbers. These yeah, and it's in 20 inches, depending on how long you want it. That's it right there. And the same thing. This is a 3/8. This is a 3/8. That's a 3/8. And then that's 1/2 and 3/8. And then for the cold part, cold water, that's 1/2 and 3/8. So that's what I did. Thank you guys for watching. Now I can wash my client's hair with hot and cold water with no issues in the garage. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.